This fall front porch tour is hosted by Heidi at Happily Thriving Heidi. Make sure you hop on over and check out her channel too. So welcome to my fall front porch tour. I'm Lisa at Lisa & Company, and if you're new to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see all the great DIYs we do here. I have this great vintage door on my porch and I love to decorate it for all the seasons. I am currently obsessed with this quote, "Points if you know what children's classic it comes from." I'll attach the video where we made the sign so you can check out all the behind the scenes stuff. I added this bundle of twigs tied up with a little twine and of course lots of fall mums on either side of the door. I love what they add in the fall. Have you seen this wreath? Did you watch the video? I'm going to insert it for you. This wreath really pushed me out of my comfort zone. I talk all about it in the video where I made it, so make sure you check it out. I added this great candle sconce down the middle and of course a battery operated candle, but this is my secret for hanging wreaths. It's an invisible hook and I honestly wish I could remember where I saw it so I could give that person credit. So many different components went into this wreath. I used fall boxwood, some purple hydrangeas I picked up at the Dollar Tree, all kinds of things that you might not have thought to put together. We did add some fall elements like pumpkins and acorns and some little dark berries. And like I said, it pushed me out of my comfort zone, but in the end, I was really happy with the way it came together. A few fall pumpkins add great texture in this basket. I did manage to find a couple of real ones and I will swap them out just as soon as I can get my hands on more. I have got to show you the easiest way to cover your cushions. That is the one that's on the settee the rest of the year, and I made a super simple drop cloth cover with some elastic around it. There is nothing complicated about it. Now we've got some great accessories for the settee. This blanket came from a thrift store, and of course I wasn't actually looking for it when I found it, but when I saw it, I knew it was going to be perfect for the porch. These cushions are just what the porch needed for fall. I'll make sure I insert the video so you can see what went into making those, but I am so happy with the way they came out. I just love the way this tray came together. My lantern and the tray were all made from finds from the Habitat for Humanity Restore. I'll insert the video so you can see how we used them. And I did add one of those tassels I'm currently obsessed with. I do love my Rae Dunn fall mug and this copper colored bowl full of pumpkins and gourds. I'm just going to hang out on the porch in the sunshine. Thanks so much to our host Heidi over at Happily Thriving Heidi for putting this porch tour collab together. I hope you enjoyed this video and you'll consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time.